Why people like Zach, who is a consultant at Plaxus, wanted to hire me for the marketing manager position. If you see, I received this message on November 5th, 2024, very recently, and he mentioned, Hi Rohan, Plexus are working with a Web3 focused infrastructure and solutions provider who have recently included AI services. And if you see, they are looking for an experienced marketer to elevate their engagement and contribute to the success of this protocol. And I received this message directly without me messaging them first. And not only Zach, if I open the conversation of Freeze, so you see on March 2022 2024, this person who is the founder of Lumina and co-founder at BaseBet reached out to me. Hi man, got an opportunity for you to help me in growth hacking for a new crypto startup leading up to TGE. Right? So you see, the people are messaging me first, and if I open another person's profile, so let me just go back and let me open the Anoop's profile as well. So you see, he is the product leader, angel, 3x entrepreneur, building innovative solutions to transform industries. He is based out of Hyderabad, and he mentioned, Hi Rohan, looking for social media marketers who understand the crypto domain well. Let me know if we can chat. So why people like these, and I have one more example. Let me just quickly open that. So Sukesh Kumar Tedla, who is the CEO and founder of Cryptos, he also texted me in the year 2022, I believe, on 24th July. Yeah. Hi Rowan, seems like you got a good experience running campaigns and getting the brand out. I was wondering if you would be open for a call to discuss potential synergies and exploring opportunities. So why people like Sukesh, Zach, Anoop, Reese messaging me to and wanted to hire me for the positions that they have in their organization? The reason is my message is clear to everyone with the content that I am posting and with my profile. So if you go over to my profile, so you just search my profile directly on LinkedIn. So my name is Rohan Gulati, and if you search, or if you, what you can do quickly do is like just go to Google and type my name, Rohan Gulati, and you see the first profile is mine, so you just click on it, and then you will be able to see my profile again, which has received 4 million impressions in just 90 days. And I can do it for you as well. So all you have to do is you just have to let me know, and I will be able to do it for you also if you want, right? So why people like these are messaging me first? Because my message is very clear, and my message is clear because of the headline that I have used in my LinkedIn profile. So you see, Web3 growth strategist and fractional CMO. I help founders build viral personal brands, help 27 people earn 1 million a month through LinkedIn Growth Mastery. Now, the main question is why this matter? The reason is whenever you receive the connection request, for example, like let me just open the connections that I receive, right? So these are the people who wanted to connect with me. And see, LinkedIn is a platform where you have freedom to judge anyone on the basis of whatever parameters you have, because people do, because LinkedIn is a such a professional platform where all the CEOs, decision makers of the company, CTOs, CMOs are there, and they have no time. Every other day they keep on receiving multiple messages in their DMs who are selling their services, and then they have to see like which one is beneficial for them, right? So in those cases they have no time, like they can't open every other's profile and check it out who is doing what. That is where your headline matters a lot. So if you see, Karthik Sudhar sent me a message with no profile pic, and he has just mentioned student at Gujarat Technology University. Now, if this is not my ICP, then why should I accept this person's in my connection? What is the benefit I'm gonna get? For example, like if I talk about, let's say, Sophia Stay Switch. So so she has mentioned, Hi Ron, we just launched Nutify.io Tinder style platform for Web3 ads with 5-second unskippable slots. Now this is the message that she has sent me, but without this message, can I identify her? Who is she and what she does? So I don't know, because over here the only thing which I can see is Nutify.io. I have no clue what is Nutify.io. If I go ahead and like check it out, Vivek Kumar's profile, so I'm empowering brands with impactful digital experiences. So you see, now I got a clue about who is Vivek Kumar, what he does, and what value he can bring to the table if I accept this person in my connection. Priyanka B has sent me a message, senior functional analyst at Digital Key. Now she's into coding and maybe into some backend stuff. and I'm completely into marketing. I have nothing to do with Oracle at the moment, nothing to do with cloud services, nothing to do with functional analyst at DigiKey. So she is not someone whom I am looking who can benefit me if I just connect her or accept her in my connections. So that is where your headline matters, because let's say you have sent a connection request to a CEO and you are providing marketing services but they're not hiring for marketing services, then that is where they will think about it, whether they want to connect with you, whether they have time to click on this accept button and to have one more connection so that like they can chat with you. If there is no requirement, they won't do it. If there's a requirement, then definitely they're gonna ahead and like talk to you, right? So now the question comes is how to write an effective headline for yourself. See, this page is where your most of the conversions will happen. People will check out your profile. For example, like if you go ahead and like check out the analytics, so you will see 453 people have seen my profile so far, right? So if I just click on show my all analytics, so you see 453 people have seen my profile in the last 90 days. That means people came on my profile, checked out what I used to do. So let me just open my profile again, check out what I used to do, what I've posted. But do you think people have this much time? No, they have very less time, guys. So what they will do, they will check it out your profile pic, your cover pic, what you have written in your headline, what you have done, what you have achieved. If you see, I am using a tangible headline. Tangible headline means the numbers. Basically, I'm targeting on the basis of numbers. So my conversation or my the message is very clear. Who am I? I am a web3 growth strategist. The people who have came and checked my profile, these 453 people who have came, if you see, these people have came from different backgrounds. Some are from the recruiting industry, 10 work in the recruiting industry, 4 came from this college, 3 came from this Chanakya Society, I believe, from BRAC. I don't know what is this. Then 3 other students came from Jesus and Mary College. 109 found you through homepage. 4 worked companies with open roles you may be interested in. Now this is a very important fact parameter. 4 people who checked my profile, they are associated with a company in which there is a position in which I can be the best candidate according to LinkedIn. One is a senior leader who shares your job function. 15 have connections who may be hiring for roles that matches your job function. That means the people who are checking my profile are the ones who I think can be my ICP, right? That is where you have to optimize your profile properly. So if I go ahead and like check it out, so the people who are checking my profile now, the my message is very clear that who am I? I'm a Web3 growth strategist and fractional CMO. So if you're looking for someone who can grow your business or who can come up with a very killer strategies to grow your business, then I can be your guy, guys, because I am a Web3 growth strategist and fractional CMO with proven results. At the same time, if you see, I help founders build viral personal brands. If I cannot deliver the results, then how can you expect me and go ahead like and create buzz for yourself, because I have done it for myself. So if you see, if I go into the analytics section and if I just click on impressions and if I just go back in the past, let's say in the past 365 days, so right now it is 1522 impressions in the past 7 days. But when I've clicked on past 365 days, you will see I've got 4 million impressions. Isn't it huge, guys? 4 million impressions. That is the impact that I have like done it for myself so far. And then I've also mentioned that I have helped 27 people earn 1 million a month with my LinkedIn growth mastery. So if you also want to earn 1 million with my exclusive LinkedIn growth mastery, I am just a DM away, guys. I have so far 323 followers that I have built in since I have started using LinkedIn. So how can you write an effective headline for yourself? So what you have to do is you have to go to Chat GPT. So let's say I go to Chat GPT, and then you have to explain what you have done so far. So for example, I just have to give a prompt, and I can give the same prompt to you under this video. So you can check out the comment section and find out my prompt. So let's say I instruct the chat GPT that I want to write killer and tangible headline for my LinkedIn profile, and here's some information about me. So let's say I've helped so far 27 people earn 1 million a month with my exclusive LinkedIn growth mastery course. After that, I act as a consultant for the companies who wants to grow their user base and looking for exceptional growth marketers. Also, I have achieved 4 million impressions in just 90 days, which shows I am working on making my personal brand, and I can do this for my clients as well. So, on the basis of above information, can you come out with some headlines for my LinkedIn profile? Now we just have to wait. Once you have provided all the information, now it will give you some headlines on the basis of whatever information you have provided. So for example, like let's analyze. So it has given me five headlines so far. Growth consultant, help 27 people earn 1 million per month, 4 million impressions in 90 days, building viral person brands and user acquisition strategies. So now if you see, this is a very tangible headline where someone who is coming on your profile for the very first time, so they can understand that what you have done so far. You have helped 27 people on 1 million month. You have achieved 4 million impressions in just 90 days. You have like built your own personal viral person brands and user acquisition strategies, right? Growth consultant, I help brands achieve exponential growth. Now I do not like such type of headlines, I help brands achieve exponential growth, because this is something very standard in nature. So the people who wants to hire you, they want to see the results, they want to see the numbers, what you have done in the past or what you can bring to the table, right? So for example, like I have got 4 million impressions in 90 days. That is what I have mentioned in my LinkedIn cover photo as well, that 4 million impressions. So if you want to go viral on LinkedIn in less than 90 days, I have proven strategies for founders to build viral person brands. All you have to do is you just have to DM me, that's it. So you have to make sure that like whatever headlines you are writing it down, you have to make sure that it is tangible in nature, it conveys the right message to your ICP. So you have to tell who your ICP is. For example, like building viral brands and user acquisition channels. Help 27 people on 1 million per month, 4 million impressions in 90 days. Now this makes sense because this is to the point. Building viral brands, yes, I'm already doing it. I have user acquisition channels funnels as well, because my funnels can help you acquire more users. I've helped 27 people earn 1 million per month. That is absolutely true. And I've also achieved 4 million impressions in 90 days. Now, if you look at the fifth headline, which is fractional CMO and growth strategist, which is almost similar to my current one, which says Web3 growth strategist and fractional CMO. Then comes help 27 clients earn 1 million per month, achieve 4 million impressions in 90 days, expert in brand growth and user acquisition. So you see, this is somewhere similar to the one that I have used it till now. So you have to experiment with your headlines, and then you have to see which headline is giving you better results, because if people are not able to identify who you are just by looking at your profile, remember guys, nobody opens the complete profile, people just check your name and then what you have written down. So if I want to connect with her, I will see who is she. One is single, but what she do, like she attends Delhi University. So guys, like if she is not my ICP, then why I would accept her? She's English major, she's in Gagi, she's doing digital marketing as a CPS, poetry and literature enthusiast. Even if you have some enthusiasm in something, then what do I do? Like whether that enthusiasm or your interest is bringing my company something. No. So what is the point of writing such stuff? So you have to make sure that whatever content, whatever headline you choose, it makes sense to the other person. Now if I show you one profile which I really like, Ethan. So this person, I believe, I'm not able to find his profile. My bad, guys. Yeah, Ethan Golding. So if you just check out his profile, so you see he helped coaches and consultants scale to $50,000 per month. Now this makes sense, guys, because he's clear with his goal, with his message that he helped coaches. So whom he's helping? He is helping coaches. That means his ICPs, all the coaches on LinkedIn and consultants, scale to $50,000 per month. He's also a founder at the Blueprint. And if you look at his um LinkedIn cover pic, scale with a proven, simple to use client acquisition system. No previous marketing or sales skills needed. So he's saying, like, his message is pretty clear that even if you do not have marketing or sales skills, it's completely fine. His proven, simple to use client acquisition system will help you to scale towards $50,000 per month. And he has also mentioned his ICP, which is, I believe, is not properly present. But if you look at my profile as well, can you find out my ICP? I'm a Web3 growth strategist. That means that I'm helping the Web3 companies out there, and I help founders build viral personal brands. That means a strategy that will help you to go viral is for the founders. So if you are a founder and if you want to make yourself viral, then my strategies can help you out. That means my SCP is also clear. The same thing is with this person's profile. Now if I just open another person's profile randomly, so for example, like, let's go Dominic Fuster profile. So you see he's a digital marketing strategist, 10 plus years driving growth for IT, tech, web3 and blockchain, finance and beyond. So he's a digital marketing person and he has 10 plus years driving growth for IT, tech, web3, blockchain, finance and beyond. That is how you make your messages clear, so that, like, the person who has no time, just imagine na guys, if CEO is coming up, they have no time reading about your about us section. They will only see what you have mentioned in your headlines and what type of skills you have. Even if you look at my skills, you can see I have like pretty same skills. Social media is my topmost skill. Social media marketing, digital marketing, marketing strategy. Same way, his topmost skills are digital marketing, marketing strategy, paid advertising, content strategy, and email marketing. So that is how you have to craft your headline for your LinkedIn profile. Let me know how difficult it is to identify your ICP and what headlines you have used so far. So you can comment down your LinkedIn profile under this video, and I will be checking out each and everyone's LinkedIn profile if you just comment down. Thank you.